Hey beauties, today I will be showing you my rice water recipe for hair growth. So I'm starting by adding 6 cups of water to a pot as well as 1 cup of rice. I tripled the usual recipe. Usually when I boil my rice I do 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, but I tripled the recipe just to give me more water. So once the water starts to boil, I'm going to turn the heat down to a low, and I'm just going to let the rice simmer. So once the rice has simmered for about 30 or 45 minutes, I'm just going to give it a stir and just drain the water from the rice. And as you can see, I'm left with water that looks like kind of milky or cloudy, and that's what we want, because the water that remains from the rice water after you boil it or soak it, it contains many of the vitamins and minerals that are in rice, like the amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants. So we want that cloudiness, that milkiness. So I'm just going to take that water and add it to an empty spray bottle. I just used an old product bottle that I had, and I'm just going to add all of the rice water to this bottle. Sorry guys, I can't talk. And as you can see, you can really kind of see that milkiness. And now I'm going to add my essential oils. I'm going to add a few drops of lavender, tea tree, and these oils just help promote hair growth. Peppermint oil, lemongrass oil, and as well as Ylang oil. And I'm just going to put the top on that and just give the bottle a good shake and just mix it up. And like I said, these essential oils really help promote hair growth and hair thickness, so that's really good to add to the mix. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to add the water to another water bottle, just so you guys can see how I dilute the rice water mix. So I'm going to do half a bottle of regular water, and then I'm going to fill the remaining half of the bottle up with the rice water. It's really important to dilute it because you don't want to just put straight up rice water on your hair. So this is what it looks like, and I've already washed my hair, conditioned it, deep conditioned it. So I'm just going to section my hair off and begin to apply the rice water to my hair. You can either use the rice water as a rinse and just rinse it through your hair, or you can do like I'm doing and use a spray bottle to apply the rice water to your hair. So after I've sectioned it off, I'm just going to detangle my section, get my spray bottle ready, and just spray that entire section and get it nice and wet and coated in the rice water. You can't use too much. You want to use as much as you can. And I'm just going to apply the rice water to the perimeter of my hair, of the section, and as well as my ends, and just kind of work that through with my fingers. And then I'm going to divide that section into smaller sections and just really saturate my hair with the water. And the rice water treatment, it's a final rinse. So you want to do this after you've washed your hair, after you've conditioned it, deep conditioned it. You want to do this as the very, very last step. So after I apply my rice water, I'm just going to rinse it out and follow up with the conditioner. So I just want to go over a few benefits of using a rice water rinse for your hair. Like I said earlier, the water that remains from the rice water, it contains many of the nutrients that are in rice. So many of the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants that are in rice, we're applying that to our hair. So putting this rice water on our hair, it detangles our hair, it makes the hair smoother, it makes the hair shinier, it makes your hair stronger, and it also helps your hair grow. And I can say ever since I've been using this rice water, my hair has been so much more manageable. Like, it has been super easy to just detangle my hair and do things with it. And it's also made my hair shinier and softer. I can't really speak on the length right now. I'm going to be doing this rinse for 30 days. So after 30 days, I will come back with my results to see if I have grown any inches in length in my hair. But as far as the texture of my hair, it's really kind of helped revert my curls back. It's helped with my definition, with my tangles, because my hair is so tangly and gets so frizzy. So it's really just kind of helped with the overall quality of my hair. So once I finish spraying a section, I'm just going to tie that section up, and then I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps on all of the other sections. I also like to use my fingertips just to kind of rub the rice water into my scalp and saturate it. And of course, you know, I have to hit up those edges, got to get the edges. So I'm just going to repeat all of the steps throughout each section, and then I will be back. Alright, so all of my sections are done. My hair is nice and saturated in water, as well as my t-shirt, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm just going to take a plastic cap. You can use the plastic shower cap, or for my purposes, a plastic bag. And I'm just going to tie that over my head, and I'm going to let the rice water sit on my hair. You can let this sit on your hair anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. And this is how much of the rice water that I used. So after I've rinsed it out, this is what my hair is looking like. It's shiny, it's soft. Like I said, I'll be doing this for 30 days, so I will keep you all posted on my journey. Comment below if you've tried the rice water rinse, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces, loves.